Did you know that global defense spending reached an unprecedented $2.24 trillion in 2023? This staggering figure underscores the ever-present need for national security and the crucial role of the defense industry. In an increasingly uncertain world, marked by geopolitical tensions and evolving threats, defense stocks stand as a beacon of stability for discerning investors. These companies provide the essential tools and technologies that safeguard nations, making them a compelling addition to any well-rounded portfolio. Defense companies operate in a unique ecosystem characterized by long-term contracts, government backing, and a constant demand for innovation. This inherent resilience makes defense stocks particularly attractive during market volatility, acting as a safe haven for investors seeking to weather economic storms. From hypersonic missiles and directed energy weapons to artificial intelligence and cyber warfare, the future of defense is being shaped by groundbreaking innovations. The global landscape is constantly shifting, with geopolitical tensions, economic uncertainties, and unforeseen crises becoming increasingly common. In such a volatile environment, investors seek stability and resilience in their portfolios. Defense stocks, with their unique characteristics, emerge as a reliable haven amidst market turbulence. Governments prioritize national security, ensuring a consistent flow of funds into the defense sector regardless of market fluctuations. This steady demand for defense products and services provides investors with a sense of security, knowing that their investments are backed by an essential and enduring need. These contracts provide a high level of visibility into future earnings, making defense stocks a more predictable investment compared to companies in other sectors. The defense industry is not static. It's a hotbed of innovation, constantly evolving to counter emerging threats and maintain a technological edge. This relentless pursuit of cutting-edge solutions is driving unprecedented growth in the sector, creating lucrative opportunities for savvy investors. One of the most transformative advancements in recent years is the rise of unmanned systems, including drones and autonomous vehicles. These technologies offer enhanced capabilities in surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat, reducing the risk to human soldiers while providing a strategic advantage on the battlefield. The increasing adoption of unmanned systems is revolutionizing modern warfare, creating a surge in demand for companies specializing in this rapidly expanding market segment. AI is being integrated into various defense applications, from autonomous navigation systems for drones to predictive maintenance for military equipment. The defense industry is home to a select group of companies that stand as titans in the global arms market. These industry giants boast unparalleled expertise, cutting-edge technologies, and a long history of providing essential products and services to governments worldwide. Lockheed Martin, ticker LMT, the world's largest defense contractor, is renowned for its dominance in the aerospace and defense industry. From the iconic F-35 fighter jet to advanced missile defense systems, Lockheed Martin plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of warfare. Boeing, ticker BA, another industry heavyweight, is recognized for its expertise in commercial airplanes, defense, space, and security systems. Despite recent challenges in its commercial aviation business, Boeing's defense and space segments remain strong, driven by demand for its military aircraft, satellites, and autonomous systems. Northrop Grumman, ticker NOC, a pioneer in aerospace and defense. Northrop Grumman, a global aerospace and defense technology company, stands as a pioneer in developing innovative solutions for some of the world's most complex challenges. With a rich history dating back to the early days of aviation, Northrop Grumman has consistently pushed the boundaries of technological advancement. The company is a leading developer of unmanned aerial vehicles, including the iconic Global Hawk, a high-altitude, long-endurance surveillance drone. Northrop Grumman's expertise in autonomous systems extends beyond UAVs, encompassing unmanned ground vehicles, unmanned maritime systems, and even autonomous space vehicles. The company is responsible for the B-2 Spirit, a stealth bomber renowned for its ability to penetrate enemy airspace undetected. Northrop Grumman is also developing the B-21 Raider, the next-generation stealth bomber that promises to be even more advanced and lethal than its predecessor. Lockheed Martin, dominating the skies and beyond. Lockheed Martin, the world's largest defense contractor, has earned its reputation as a dominant force in the aerospace and defense industry. With a legacy spanning over a century, Lockheed Martin has consistently delivered cutting-edge technologies and platforms that have shaped the landscape of modern warfare. From iconic fighter jets that rule the skies to advanced missile defense systems that protect nations from ballistic missile threats, Lockheed Martin's products and services are deployed by armed forces around the globe. The company invests heavily in research and development, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace and defense. This dedication to technological advancement is evident in its flagship product, the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation fighter jet that combines stealth capabilities, advanced sensor fusion, and unmatched situational awareness. Beyond its dominance in the fighter jet market, Lockheed Martin is a major player in a wide range of defense domains. The company is a leading provider of missile defense systems, including the THAAD system designed to intercept and destroy short, medium, and intermediate-range ballistic missiles. Raytheon Technologies, ticker RTX, a powerhouse of innovation. Raytheon Technologies, a global aerospace and defense conglomerate, has emerged as a powerhouse of innovation, delivering a wide range of advanced technologies and solutions that are critical to national security and global stability. Formed through the merger of Raytheon Company and United Technologies Corporation, Raytheon Technologies combines the strengths of two industry leaders. The company is a leading developer and manufacturer of a wide range of missiles, including the Patriot missile system, a combat-proven air and missile defense system deployed by numerous countries worldwide. Raytheon Technologies is also at the forefront of hypersonic missile technology, developing missiles that can travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5. In addition to its missile defense capabilities, Raytheon Technologies is a major player in the development of advanced sensor and electronic warfare systems. The company's sensors are used in a wide range of applications, from detecting and tracking enemy aircraft and missiles to providing situational awareness for ground troops. The future of warfare, investing in emerging trends. The defense industry is in a constant state of evolution, driven by the need to counter emerging threats and maintain a technological edge over adversaries. As the nature of warfare continues to evolve, so too do the investment opportunities within the defense sector. Savvy investors are looking beyond traditional defense companies and focusing on emerging trends that are shaping the future of warfare. One such trend is the increasing importance of cybersecurity. In an interconnected world, cyber attacks pose a significant threat to national security, critical infrastructure, and economic stability. Companies specializing in cyber defense, threat intelligence, and data protection are experiencing rapid growth. Another emerging trend is the integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, into defense systems. Cybersecurity shielding the digital front line. In an increasingly interconnected world, where data is the lifeblood of modern societies and economies, cybersecurity has emerged as a paramount concern for governments, businesses, and individuals alike. Cyber attacks have become more sophisticated, frequent, and damaging, targeting critical infrastructure, financial institutions, government agencies, and even personal devices. As the digital landscape expands, so too does the attack surface, creating a constant need for robust cybersecurity measures to protect against these evolving threats. The global cybersecurity market is expected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars in the coming years, fueled by increasing cyber threats, stringent regulations, and a growing awareness of the importance of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity companies offer a wide range of products and services designed to protect against cyber threats, including firewalls, antivirus software, intrusion detection systems, and data loss prevention solutions. Artificial intelligence, the new frontier of defense. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the defense industry, ushering in a new era of intelligent warfare and creating unprecedented opportunities for investors. AI is being integrated into a wide range of defense applications, from autonomous weapon systems and unmanned vehicles to intelligence analysis and decision-making support. This integration of AI is not only enhancing the effectiveness of existing defense systems, but also revolutionizing the way wars are fought and won. AI-powered drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and even autonomous naval vessels are already being developed and deployed, offering increased speed, precision, and lethality on the battlefield. Beyond autonomous weapon systems, AI is being used to enhance intelligence gathering and analysis. AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data from various sources, including satellites, drones, and social media, to identify patterns, detect anomalies, and provide actionable insights to military commanders. This ability to process and analyze massive datasets in real time gives militaries a significant advantage in situational awareness. Actionable tips. Navigating the defense investment landscape. Investing in defense stocks can be a rewarding endeavor, but it's essential to approach it with a well-informed strategy. Here are some actionable tips to help you navigate the defense investment landscape and make informed decisions. 1. Conduct thorough research. Before investing in any defense stock, it's crucial to conduct thorough research on the company's financials, products, services, competitive landscape, and growth prospects. Analyze their revenue streams, profit margins, debt levels, and dividend history to assess their financial health and stability. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your defense investments across multiple companies and subsectors within the industry. This helps mitigate risks associated with individual companies or specific defense programs. 4. Stay informed about geopolitical developments. Geopolitical events can significantly impact defense spending and stock prices. Fortifying your portfolio with defense stocks. In an era defined by geopolitical complexities, technological advancements, and evolving threats, defense stocks stand as a resilient and potentially lucrative investment opportunity. The defense industry, driven by the constant need for national security and global stability, offers investors a unique combination of stability, growth potential, and innovation. While past performance is not indicative of future results, the defense sector has historically demonstrated resilience during market downturns. The long-term nature of defense contracts and the essential nature of defense products and services contribute to the sector's stability. This continuous evolution presents investors with unparalleled opportunities to capitalize on the growth potential of this dynamic sector.